Hello YouTubers out there, welcome to Studio Recall. My name is Jordan. Now I do apologize if there's going to be any echo because I need a bigger workspace and I need somewhere safe to stand. And basically what you see in front of me is a lot of parts to build a PC rig. Now this rig is mainly going to be focused for editing. Now this is more than capable of doing some gaming, which I'm going to do along the sides. Just you know, so I can just use it. It's just there. But this is mainly focusing going to be for editing and stuff, and all my components are here. This is my case. Everything I have to build, all the stuff I need to actually build it, and right now I'm just going to get started. So yeah, I do apologize if there's any like echo. I'm currently in my dining room. Currently in my dining room because I need a bigger area to work, and know that it's easier for me to film. Light's pretty mediocre, but it'll do just fine. But anyway, I need to move some stuff and ground myself. I must tell you that I'm also no professional at like building PCs. This is legitimately my first time. And all I have under my belt is changing RAM out of a MacBook Pro, watching a lot of YouTube videos, so you know, I'm a professional. Please don't build a PC just on watching some YouTube videos. Read the manual. So if I'm gonna be referring to the manual a lot, which I think is appropriate in my case, because I know where stuff goes, alright? I know where like things go, I know all the technical stuff where it all goes and stuff. So I know where to plug shit and how to like get everything ready. But just warn you that this is my first build. So if any out there are like PC pros, don't cringe. Please. The first things first, I need to move some stuff out of the way and ground myself. Oh, one more thing, just before I actually kind of get started into the whole getting ready to build and stuff, I must say that I'm not going to go over what my specs are today. I'm just going to give you the entertainment of watching some MacBook pleb, some Macintosh pleb, how to build a PC. Oh dear. What does the world of internet want? I can't even open the box. I opened this yesterday, come on. Don't like make me a joke on camera. No, I was going to rip it, but I was like, don't do it. Don't do it, because you know why? Because if something goes up and if I want to return it and if I want to sell it, I could, of course it's from the side. And here, oh shit, that is a chunky power supply. And, oh look, snacks. Phone, be quiet. Oh yeah, the infamous mustard cables. I might do something about this later on, but for now I'm just gonna leave it. You know, first PC build. Eventually, yeah, I'll upgrade to like higher ends of like power supplies and such, but for now, it's just gonna be like how it is. Ooh. So now the next thing I need to probably do is install a motherboard. Oh wow, this is like a whole like, ooh. Oh wow, this is tempered glass. Oh shit. Okay, let's put this in the box. Okay, so I just put that in the oh wow. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna put these aside because I know where these are. The next coolest thing that I'm probably gonna do for a while. Okay, I need to get out everything first. Okay, this is the overall manual. This is what I need to install shit. That's gonna be useful, but I've seen enough. Done. Casually while the anti-static thing, casually while your grounding point just comes off. I hope my microphone's on. I'm not gonna go over specs like I said before. What I'm just gonna go over is just the main stuff I'm gonna do. This is probably like the most coolest thing. Maybe not the most coolest thing, but this is like this is building my fucking PC. Like this is next level. I just flipped the retention arm up to install a CPU, which is this bad boy. And what this is a Ryzen 2700X. Okay, done. That's it. That was pretty easy. Okay, next thing I want to do. That was actually pretty fucking simple. Alright. Next thing I want to do is get this CPU cooler. So this goes into the 4-pin, which would be right there. System fan. Dude, like, yeah. So much these quick start guides are like, yeah, like I generally know what to do and where shit goes. It's just orientation. I suppose it doesn't matter because you have to like put the orientation in a different way anyway. Because by the looks of things, it seems to be that, oh, I don't want to touch the heatsink. It seems to be that I don't really need to uninstall the okay, I kind of want to have it building this way, so. Okay, these need to stay on. Yeah, but this doesn't need to. Because one thing I noticed, ow. Oh, there we go. That's one side. Now basically, what this one does, ow. I literally just stabbed myself with one of the things for it. Okay, ow. So basically I am leaking fluid, so I'll be right back. Okay, if this Band-Aid seems a bit ridiculous, it's because I couldn't find any other smaller ones, so I just have to make do. So don't worry, I'm fine. Alright, done. Sweet. Next thing maybe is RAM. This is probably gonna be the most easiest thing because I've changed RAM before, so it's pretty for me. Why is like installing RAM the most hardest part? Yay, okay, you gotta be really forceful. And that's the thing, being that it's my build, I don't know how much pressure I should actually, you know, put on this, on each components, because I don't know what because in a way, I don't know if it's like correctly lining and stuff, and like, I'm trying to be careful when, in reality, you have to be like fucking hard full of hell. Yay, RAM installed! Awesome! Okay. Now my next important task is getting my motherboard to be in the standoffs. Okay? So far so good. This is probably like the hardest thing. Everything else is gonna be like piss easy now, so that's gonna be good. Lift it up by the CPU. Yeah, that is not coming off anytime soon. Yeah, I need to move those cables. And it's especially weird that like each of my standoffs aren't lining up, which I'm pretty sure they are lining up. It's just that. Maybe this was the hardest part. It's weird because I feel like these screws should screw all the way in, but like they're kind of stopping halfway. Which I do understand if they don't want to make contact with the motherboard. I guess these are in, because like, here are the standoffs, and there is no way in hell I can get those off. Okay, maybe I'll just tighten these a little bit more, but that's in. My motherboard's in. Like, oh my god. This is so cool. All right, let's just tighten these, because, you know, like there seems to be, okay, these are, okay, all right, never mind, I was correct. These are like, so the standoffs themselves, they have a bit of space in between them, which is good. So I'm just tightening this so it's like, not overly tight where I'm stripping the screw, but like just tidy enough. That's pretty easy to like, do this. We are done, okay. Well, we're not done. We still need, oh my god, this has been like a fucking like stressful and a half. I mean, this is fun. I'm hoping it can't. My next problem is that this USB 3 for the I/O in front is like being the next level pain in the ass. It's like I'm putting a lot of force through it, and like it just won't budge. It just won't budge. I know you're probably sick and tired of looking at the back. Hey! That was like the most hardest fucking thing to pull out. Don't worry, everything's fine. It's just that this fucking thing is the most hardest thing to pull out. Guaranteed there's gonna be a lot of people like cringing and stuff. Totally not installing USB headers was the most pain in the ass thing. Oh. Okay, we are back. Now I just put the power supply in the actual case. I'm just trying to get them a bit quickly, but it's all coming together really nice and fine. I know the back looks pretty ugly just because I still need to cable manage. It's pretty good to do like the small things and the most annoying things first, because then, as annoying as it is, means that I can easily just plug in cables and then just plug it in. So that's why I'm leaving the graphics card last. I reckon it's a good system what I'm doing. I reckon It's like a really nice way of doing things. Like this is ridiculously light. Like I could, like this is really fucking. Oh my god, this is light. That is not a good light. Like I could. This feels like plastic, but it's not. It's an actual SSD. The hard drives seem to be the most hardest part because they either don't want to line up and they just don't want to like connect in, or the cable's not reaching, and just all this. Hard drives, everything else has been fine. Like that's all been hunky-dory. Hard drives are my nightmare. Ugh. Oh my god. Legit for an hour I've been trying to figure out how to bloody. Oh my god. Okay, most of the dinky cables are done. So now what I'm gonna do is probably install one of the most cooler parts. Out of everything in the system, this is probably gonna be the most easiest and the least stressful. Honestly, what was the most hardest part about the build? The fucking SSD and the hard drive. They were like the most impossible ones, which I don't know why. And honestly, this is actually the most expensive component this whole freaking system was. This right here, the most expensive component. It is. Maybe it will help if I tip. How is this not going in? Like, out of everything, the fucking... Yeah, I'm just annoyed that the SSD and the hard drive took the longest. I'll be right back. It's always like the small little things that really just get there. It gets in the way. What was the one thing that was stopping it? It was this thing. It was this fucking thing. I thought I was doing some... Honestly, just... Oh. Alright, I'll be right back. But anyway, everything is working, and just before I show you actually, here's my first reaction when I turned it on. Okay, everything's plugged in, everything's set. Now the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Now I'd like to point out that this is my first time building like a PC whatsoever. Like this has been very new to me, and I was just like, what? And then when it fired up, I was just like, oh my god, everything works. But basically, that noise in the background, oh yeah, it's all gloriously working, and hi me. So all the components are lighting up green, and well, not green, but you know, majority of the colors. So everything's plugged in, looks really nice. And like you, in a way, I kind of like what this panel has done, because you can't really see from far the cables. You can just see how everything lights up, which is really nice. But anyway, I'm just gonna finish up installing the rest of like the antivirus and stuff and all the other stuff that I need to get everything working. But all in all, everything's all hunky-dory and working. But thank you for this common journey. So, thank you all so much for watching. Click the links and annotations for more videos that I've done. Like, comment, and subscribe today. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!